iFoodie Chef Pete is back today with a low-carb eggplant parmesan, okay? Beautiful eggplant parmesan with no noodles at all. Low carb with beautiful, fresh basil. Beautiful sauce. Beautiful Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese. Cheeses today and ricotta. And all of that together, will be our low-carb Parmesan eggplant, okay? So here I have an eggplant. It's just two of us. Get a couple of them if you're going to have a lot of people and you need to fill your pan. I've taken the skin off, okay? So what I'm going to do is cut these into planks. I'm going to cut them into planks like this. Okay, planks like this, planks like this, planks like this, planks like this. Flip them around so I don't get cut. Planks like this and split them in half like this at the end. Now remember, I was a butcher. I still am a butcher. I was a computer director for over 35 years. But the butcher part is where I get all the beautiful cutting pieces. That's how we make things cut beautifully, okay? So what you're going to do with these is I'm going to cut them in halves like this. And again, in halves like this. Because I made planks, right? In halves like this. And then this end piece, I'm going to split this very carefully like this. See how I do this? Be careful of your fings. Okay, there we go. Cut them like this, and then I have a little piece there we'll throw in along the side. Okay, now I'm going to get these because I'm going to air fry everything onto our flat sheet pan. All of these will go right on here, just like this. Just like this. Everything goes on. Okay, everything goes on here. And what I want to do here, and you do not have to do all of the famous, get the water out. You don't have to do any of that with that. That's an old wives' tale. We'll leave that to people that like to do more work than they actually need to do. Okay, so here we have our pan ready to go. And what I'm going to do is give it a little salt across the top, like this. What is that to? Just so we have some salt and pepper. We're seasoning our eggplants, Anthony. And some pepper, like this. Alrighty? Because I'm not putting any crumbs on here.
So how did you come up with air frying these?
By air frying, instead of frying on the stove in oil, we're keeping our carbs very low, our saturated fats very low, everything's very low. We're not breading here, okay? And then what you need to do before you put this into your air fryer is you need to hit it with some olive oil. Either brush the olive oil on. I'm spraying olive oil. You can brush it if you like, whichever way. And then we're going to cook these at 400 degrees until they're done through. Just use a fork to test it to make sure they're done. Get a little browning to them in there, and there we have it. So today we're making low carb. Look for the shorts that go as I put this beautiful dish together. So into the air fryer these will go. This is Pete as always. Thanks for subscribing and watching and sharing. Out.